Did CG5 ruin the Smurf cat meme? Is he truly a meme killer of all time? Let's find out. The Smurf cat meme, or We Live We Love We Lie, features a blue, elf-like creature with a mushroom head and a cat's face, designed similarly to a Smurf. The meme originated on TikTok, where users posted videos of the Smurf cat walking in a forest, accompanied by the song, The Spectre, by Alan Walker. The song has a catchy line that goes We live, we love, we lie, followed by a beat drop that matches the Smurf cat's movements. The meme also spawned variations, such as Strawberry Elephant, Pineapple Owl, and more. The meme was seen as a way to express one's feelings and emotions, as well as to have fun and enjoy life. However, not everyone was happy with the Smurf cat meme. There was one person who decided to ruin it for everyone, CG5. CG5 is a YouTuber who makes songs about memes. He has over 6 million subscribers and has been making music since 2016. He claims to be a fan of memes and to celebrate them with his songs. But is he really? Or is he actually destroying them? To answer this question, we need to look at his Smurf cat song. This song is based on the Smurf cat meme, but it is nothing like the original. CG5 changed the tone and the meaning of the meme. He turned it into a generic and bland pop song that had nothing to do with the Smurf cat. He added lyrics that were cliché and annoying. He also used auto-tune and other effects that made his voice sound unnatural and annoying. The result was a song that was neither cute nor funny, but rather cringy and irritating. It ruined the original joke and the fun of the meme. Many people who watched the song disliked it and commented that CG5 had killed the meme. Some even said that he should stop making songs about memes altogether. This is not the first time that CG5 has done this. He has made songs about many other memes before, such as the Grimace Shake, the Ohio meme, the 1-2 Buckle My Shoe meme, and more. In each case, he has taken a meme that was humorous and creative and turned it into a song that was dull and repetitive. He has made them lose their charm and humor. Why does he do this? What is his motivation? Some people think that he does it for money and fame. They think that he exploits the popularity of memes to get more views and subscribers on his channel. Others think that he does it for fun and passion. They think that he genuinely likes memes and wants to express his appreciation for them with his songs. They think that he tries to be creative and original with his songs, but sometimes fails to capture the essence or the spirit of the memes. What do you think? Is CG5 ruining memes or celebrating them? Is he a villain or a hero?